TikTok has introduced a new feature allowing users to send voice notes in direct messages. Want to try it out for yourself? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to send voice notes on TikTok. Now let's get started. To send voice notes on TikTok, first ensure you've updated the TikTok app to the newest available version. Then, open TikTok and go to your inbox. Open a direct message chat you want to send a voice note in. This can be a one-on-one chat or a group chat. Then tap the microphone icon in the bottom right corner within the message text box. Recording will begin immediately, so go ahead and say whatever you want to say to your friend in your voice note. If you make a mistake or want to start over, tap the trash can icon to delete your recording. When you're done recording your voice note, tap the send button on the right to send it in your chat. If you happen to send a voice note by accident, you can delete it for everyone in the chat within 3 minutes after sending. Just hold down the voice note and select Delete for All from the pop-up menu. That's all it takes to send voice notes on TikTok. Want to learn more about using TikTok? Check out our beginner's guide next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.